2 to the power a plus 4 to the power a plus 8 to the power a is equal to 155. So find out the a value. What is the value of a? This a value. First we can write this is the 2 to the power a, and this is the we can write 2 square a, and this is the we can write 2 to 3 a, this 155. And now interchange is power, so 2 to the power a, there is the interchange a is 2, and this is interchange the power 3 is 155, and 2 to the power a we take this is the x, so this is here. First we can write this x, so there is x cube, and this is the x square, and this is the x. Change the position, and now find out the this is the x cube, x square, x, and minus 55. This is 0, and now find out the this is root. So first we can write if x is equal to 5, then the 155 cube is 125. This is the 5 square is 25, and this is the plus 5 and 55. So this is the we can 0. So x is equal to 5, then this equation is satisfied. So one root is x, one root is x 5. So x minus 5 is a factorial, 1 factorial, and this x minus 5 divide, so we get the another factorial. So how? First we can write this x minus 5 is a factorial. Here we can write there is a 3 cube, so 3 times we can write this here, 3 times we can write. And now this is the x cube, and this is x, so multiply with the x square. So x square and x, this is the x cube, and this is minus 5 square, and there is the plus 5, so we can write plus minus this. And now 6, and this is x, so there is multiplies 6x, 6x is this, and now this is 5 in, so there is the 30x, and this is the minus, and this is the plus, so plus 31x, and this is x, so 31 into x, 30x, and 31 into 5, this 155. So this is satisfied. So this is there x minus 5, take the common, and another is x square, 6x, and 31. This is 0. And now we get the x minus 5 is equal to 0. So get the x is equal to 5. We get this. And from here there is the x square, 6x, and 31 is equal to 0. And now there is the a coordinate is 1, and there is the coordinate x coordinate is 6, and there is a c is equal to 31. So we can use this formula for a c. There we can write the 4 is 36, so and b square, so 6 square is 36, and 4 into 1, and this is 31. So there 36, and this is the 4 into this is the 1, and this is minus 88, and this is the 0 less than the 0. So this term you find out the root, so there is the no real number, so cancel of this, only taken of this. So to the power a, x value is 5. So take from here can write, take the log both of sides. So log to the power a and log 5. And so this is the a log 2 and this is the log 5. So a value is, divide this here, so log 2 by 5. So a, so verify this. How? First to the power a, put this log to 5 and 4, so put this log to 5 and 8, so put this log to 5, and there we know the formula a to the power log a base b. So this is the value of b. You know this formula. And another we can write a log b is equal to log b square. b with the power a, you can write of this. This is on here. And now there is the 2 log to 5 and this is 4, so put square log to 5 and this is 8, so 2 cube log 2 base 5 and use this formula. So all is gone here. So 2 base log 2 5 and 2 log 2, this is 5 square and this is the 2 log 2, this is the 5 cube. And now this is to the power all and this is the b. Use this formula. So there is the 5 and this is the 5 square and this is the 5 cube. So 5, 25 and 5. So this is plus 155. So this is the proof. So a value is log 5. This is the right.